I've lost 20 kgs of weight.
से 22 kg कम किया है, 12 kgs of weight loss किया है,
9.5 kgs weight loss করি
7 kgs ওজন কমে।
আমি 22 কেজি ওজন লস করেছি।
मैंने जो लेवल अपने लिए एक्सपेक्ट कर रखा था फिटनेस का, मैं उससे काफी बहुत ज्यादा फिट अपने आप को फील करती हूँ।
फिजिकल एक्टिविटी फिजिकल फिटनेस অনেক বেশি বেড়ে যায়।
स्किन क्वालिटी और भी अच्छा होने लगा। अब मेरा स्किन ग्लो करता है।
Hi, my name is Dr. Debashree. I was a research scholar and I was working as a consultant to different organizations and had a very sedentary lifestyle. I did not realize that my eating out on weekends and enjoying myself over food would one day lead to health challenges because of my obesity. What I loved most was their personalized approach. They designed a specific program for my weight loss and fitness, keeping in mind my eating out, my cheat days, and of course my daily not doing any kind of workout habit, and of course sometimes when it is not working out for me kind of mindset. What I love is they have inculcated in me a love for some kind of physical activity which is both indoor and outdoor, some kind of eating regimen which includes calorie intake management as well as calorie output management, some kind of sleep, rest, hydration which needs to be focused for my well-being, and overall giving me a glowing skin, giving me confidence and making it a part of my lifestyle wherever I go, wherever I travel. Thanks to the system, thanks to their wellness for giving me this.
I have started loving myself. I'm very excited about the future. Thanks to the system. Thanks to the system.
Thanks to the system.
Thanks to this system. Thanks to this system.
Thanks to the system.
Thanks to this system.
Hi, personally I am an wellness enthusiast. I'm very passionate about my fitness program and I like all the kinds of wellness program by the way. আমি কখনো ইনডোর অ্যাক্টিভিটিস পছন্দ করি, কখনো আউটডোর অ্যাক্টিভিটিস পছন্দ করি। कभी मैं डांस कर लेता हूँ, कभी मैं इंडोर सर्किट ट्रेनिंग कर लेता हूँ, कभी कभार ट्रेडमिल करता हूँ, कभी जिमिंग करता हूँ, कभी आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज है आई लाइक बाइकिंग, दैट इज साइक्लिंग, group activities I really like. Sometimes I run, sometimes I walk, sometimes I walk with a group, and different kinds of any kind of outdoor activities are really fine. But there are so many people around us जो कि एक ही टाइप का वर्कआउट या एक ही टाइप का फिटनेस प्रोग्राम या एक ही टाइप का रिजीम फॉलो करना पसंद नहीं करते हैं. So what if we can give different kinds of options? What if we can offer you different kinds of wellness program? That means मान लो कोई दिन आप जिम जाना चाहते हो, वेरी गुड. कोई दिन आप आउटडोर एक्टिविटी करना चाहते हो, वंडरफुल. कोई दिन आप इंडोर एक्टिविटी करना चाहते हो, वेरी गुड. So what if we can bring everything in our system? And with this concept I thought to launch this Dev Wellness. Now in Dev Wellness what we are doing, we are following a philosophy based on 80% nutrition and 20% workout. Now wellness, as per my opinion, it's all about body, mind and soul. For body, well, as I said, 80% nutrition, 20% workout and 100% mindset. This is very very important. For mind, at Dev Wellness we are having different kinds of classes, different kind of sessions. We talk about time management, আমরা কখনো কখনো উইল পাওয়ার উপরে বলি, different topics. We talk on positive socialization. At the same time, we believe in law of attraction. As I said, we believe in positivity. Self mastery is very very important. So we are trying to incorporate different soul enriching program as well. So as a result, people are feeling great. Our members, they are feeling fantastic. They are losing weight. They are feeling lighter. They come, they stay with us for half an hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1.5 hour, different timings as per your timing, and they start their day with a very positive note, or maybe they close their day, they end their day in a very high note, and they are very very happy. We want you to come and give us a look. And by the way, who am I? I am Dev. I am the founder of this Dev Wellness. Every week हम लोग एक wellness evaluation देते हैं যেখানে different body parameters আপনি দেখতে পাবেন. There are different kinds of fat and different kinds of muscle, and you get to see exactly your results. Okay, you feel very good. These are few of our members.
हेलो, मैं यहाँ पे 2.5 साल से आ रही हूँ. यहाँ आने से मुझे बेनिफिट हुआ है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. बट द थिंग इज आई एम मोर हैप्पी अबाउट माई डॉटर. शी इज़ 19 year old because उसकी जो भी आदतें थी बहुत अच्छी हुई है. She is my daughter.
And can you share about her transformation and
हाँ,
whatever?
अब वो बहुत हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो गई है और चिप्स से बहुत दूर रहती है. एंड शी इज ऑलवेज ईटिंग फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, सैलड, सूप. वो हेल्दी हैबिट्स उसकी आ गई है.
Thank you. And let us introduce this madam. She is one of the, the most experienced members we have now. I'm talking about this madam. Okay. She, आप कितना दिन मोटापा में आ रहे हैं?
Around 3 to 4 years. 3 to
And now आपका जो अच्छा सेहत के लिए now आप on daily basis आप workout करते हो और daily basis you come can you please
working
share?
out and having plenty of water, eating fruits, salads, enjoying healthy lifestyles.
And then she brought her husband.
एंड आई एम ऑल्सो हैप्पी अबाउट माई नेफ्यू. उसकी हैबिट्स भी बहुत अच्छी हुई है. पहले वो इतना कॉन्शियस नहीं था हेल्दी ईटिंग के लिए. अब वो बहुत हेल्दी ईटिंग को जोर देता है. तो आई एम हैप्पी.
প্রথম উনি আমাদের কাছে এসেছিলেন. ওকে, উনি আমাদের নেইবার. সো তারপর ওনার ভালো লেগেছে. তারপর ওনার হাজবেন্ড এসেছে. and उसके बाद वो उनका बेटी को बुलाए and then she invited her nephew as well. But she is what I can say, she is one of the most excited members here, and she supports everything. She is really crazy about her workout. She is very good on nutrition and she has that excitement. She has that zest for life, which is very, very important. And she started talking about this wellness as well to her friends and family. Now as a result, he came, Mr. Nephew.
मैंने उसे बचपन से देखा है. वो मतलब पहले इतना नहीं कॉन्शियस था. मॉर्निंग वॉक तो जाना दूर, वो सुबह भी नहीं उठता था. लेकिन अब वो सुबह उठ के जिम जाता है. उसका हेल्थ में बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा है और उसकी जो एटीट्यूड, हेल्दी हैबिट्स और फूड के लिए जो चेंजेस आए वो हमेशा इसके पास रहेगा. तो मुझे उसके लिए खुशी है.
And he comes every day almost. And you have been coming for how many weeks?
1.5 years.
More than 1 year. 1.5 years. So he has been coming for around 1.5 years, and he started losing weight. Moreover, he has started working to do a permanent change in his lifestyle. That is the most important part.
Yes.
पहले जो भी सारे खाना खा लेते थे, ना अभी उस खाने का पहले एटलीस्ट सोचते हैं. And many a time he replaces those unhealthy food with a healthier option. Okay, so we are thankful to all these people. Thank you very much for choosing us. And most importantly, ये जो आप लोगों का जो interest है wellness, again hats off of that. And this is important. And this is the concept we have: 100% mindset, 80% nutrition, 20% workout. What I suggest you, well, you come and give us a look. आप एक बार आइए, ये देखिए. Different kinds of trial classes going on. Free sessions रहता है. ওখানে এসে আপনি ট্রায়াল ক্লাস নিন, দেখে যদি ভালো লাগে দেন ইউ জয়েন अस. এই ভিডিওটার নিচে একটা অফার আছে. सो आपको एक ऑफर मिलेगा इस वीडियो का नीचे. व्हाई डोंट यू जस्ट go for that offer and just come to us and let us be healthier and happier together. See you soon. Tata.